So this HackerRank problem, known as the grading student, states that every student receives a grade in the range of 0 to 100 and any grade less than 40 is a failing grade. So we are given a array list of integers known as grades that contains the grades. These are the grades, and we have to return an integer list according to the problem statement. So what they have stated is that if the difference between the grades and the next multiple of 5 is less than 3, round up the grades to the next multiple of 5. So what does it mean? That means that the difference between the 67, so 67 next rounded value would be 70, and it is the next multiple of 5. So 70 minus 67 is 3, and after that they have stated is that if the value of the grade is less than 38, then we don't have to round anything, and if it is less than 3, then we should not round that also. If it's equals to 3, then we should not round that, and if it's less than 3, then like 1, 2 or 0, we should round that. So you can start the problem statement by initializing and integer array. Let's say it is list array list, and we have to iterate over the given array list or the grades. Like that, and after that we have to check for the base case, that is if the grade we have received is a failing grade or not. So let's start by if it is a failing grade or not. So if the grades dot get, the get function gives the value of that element. If it is less than 38, why 38? Because they have mentioned both 40 and 38. Because in the test cases in sample input you have seen here they have put 38 and they have rounded that to 40. So they are considering 38 as the threshold value rather than the 40, because if it is 38, why they would round that value to 40, and if it was 40, then if the failing grade was 40, then 38 should be remained as 38, right? So we have to just add that value to our list, as simple as that. And else if the grades are greater than or equals to 38, then we have to make the changes. So what are the changes? We have to take the next round value. So let's take the next round value. How should we take the next round value? By dividing the given number. So if it is like 84, if we divide that 84 by 5, what should it give us? 84 divided by 5, it's 16.8, and we have to get 85, right? So 16.8, if we just take the seal value, so it is 17 multiplies by 5, it's 85. So we have to take the seal value by grades dot get I, then divide that value by 5, and we need to take the integer, that means this one, and after that we have to multiply that by 5 as well, and also we have to add 1 as well. Why we are adding the 1? Because 17 multiplied by 5 is 85, so 85 minus 84. So if we did that, the math.seal, it would give us 16, so we have to round that to 17. So we need to add another 1 digit, then after that we have to get the difference. So it will be the next round value minus the grades dot I, and if the difference is less than 3 as per stated over here, if it is less than 3, round that value to the next multiple of 5. So if it is not equal to 3, it is less than 3, so we will add the next round value into our list, and if it is not, then we have to take the normal value next round, right, this one. And no, sorry, list, yeah, okay, yeah, this one. If you run the code, and we can see that, oh no, what did we miss? Oh, I get that value, so it should be, grades dot get of I, because we are not changing that value. Yes, that's right. And as you can see, every test case is passed. Now for the time complexity, as you can see that we are taking this one, so what will be this one? This will be O of n, because it will iterate over the whole grades array list, that can be n of n integers, and this one takes like O of 1, and all these steps are taking of O of 1 only. So for this also, these are taking O of 1 time. So the time complexity will be O of n, right? And for the space complexity, so we are taking over a new array list, we are also returning a new array list. So for this will take the O of n in the worst case complexity, because if the total number of grades are equal to the array list, so the space complexity will also be O of n. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.